Welcome back to this video. Here in this session, we are starting a very important concept that you use everywhere in business, in e-commerce, or in day-to-day daily life. What is that? It's called the concept of percents. You talk of interest rate, you talk of discounts, you talk of sales tax. Everywhere we talk of percentages. So we shall now discuss the mathematics behind that concept. How do you compute all those simple things that we use every day and we take it granted? And you should be able to feel a lot good yourself once you know the mathematics behind all that you are using every day. Percent is a Latin word. It came from Latin word, means percentum, or per 100, out of 100. That's what basically means. And we can always convert percent as a ratio where the denominator is 100. Say for example, I have here a small unit piece of rectangle. It is divided into 10 different columns and 10 different rows. That means the whole rectangle is divided into 100 tiny boxes. And out of that, the first two rows, 10 and 10, 20, and three more, 23, are shaded. So I will say that 20 out of 100 tiny boxes are shaded. We express that 23% are shaded. So when you say 23%, so that means 23%, and percent means out of 100. And we write it as a fraction and say 23 out of 100, or we write it as 23%. So every percentage means a fraction with the denominator 100. So percent symbol equals to 1 over 100. Okay. So let us now write few more things in terms of percentages. Suppose you take now this tiny box. That tiny box is divided into 4 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. And only one part out of 4 is shaded. We can't say in percentage that part right now. What we can say is 1 out of 4 are shaded. Can we write that in percentages? Yes, if somehow we can make this denominator 100 without changing the number. Suppose I multiply this by 25 over 25. So this will be 1 times 25 divided by 4 times 25. And when I multiply 4 by 25, I get 100. So I can write this as 25 times 1 over 100. And that 1 over 100 means percent. This thing means percent. So you will have 1/4 or 25% are the same thing. So I can say here 25% of the box is shaded, or 1/4 of the box is shaded. Supposing sometimes suppose we have two units of boxes, one full unit and then 1/4 of the second unit. Now I don't have one unit, I have two units. All the 4 parts of the first unit is shaded. That means 100 out of 100 parts are shaded. The second, 1/4 is shaded. And remember, we just discussed 1/4 means 25 over 100 or 25%. So that means 100 and out of 100 and plus 1/4, which is the same thing as 25 over 100. If we add these two fractions, we have 100 in the denominator, 100 plus 25. So it becomes 125 over 100. Now can we write this fraction as a percent? Yes. It's 125 times 1 over 100. 1 over 100 is percent. So whether small numbers or large numbers, percent always means out of 100. Percent can be represented as a fraction whose denominator is 100. And that percent can be one unit, a part of the unit, or it can be a bigger than 1 unit, and depending upon how the situation is. So I'll see you in the next video discussing more concepts